to our new video. I would like to apologize before we start. This problem is not going to be fixed in this video, but we're going to tell you things which gonna help you to fix it, because it's not a problem you fix now, like it's a programming issue, no things like that. I know there's some people who have that tendency of insulting people in videos. They say, what did you do and all that, you wasted my time and stuff. Remember that investing 15 minutes can help you solve a problem for the rest of your life, right? Or 10 minutes. So here I'm experiencing a problem whereby if I try to submit my article URL, so it tells me this the provided URL is not being accepted because the site has minimal readership, which violates the instant article policies. So they tell you to go to developers.book.facebook.com/docs/instant articles, okay, /policies. Please provide a different URL. So they want you to give them a different URL, right? But then I went and read. I got to the bottom of the issue, and then I decided to make a video. And in that video, some of you gonna benefit, some of you are gonna learn that patience matters. And as much as you love this to make you money, you have to do what Facebook is telling you to do. I myself, I'm gonna follow what they're telling me, so I got no choice but to do that. Okay, there's this plugin called Facebook, it's called what? Instant articles. Instant articles is the plugin we use. I'm gonna go to settings. You can see this is the instant article settings. So it needs you to put in a web page, the page for the for your where you want to put. So when I click on that page, I should find something like settings, info, publishing tools, okay, updates, somewhere here, about. So on about, you grab your page ID. I'm gonna get that page ID, then I go put it in here. Once I put it in there, then I have to save. After making the saves, they might as well need your Facebook ID, app ID, which is not an issue. You can go to Facebook, developers.facebook.apps. There you're gonna have to find the app you want to use. I want to use this app. You can see the app ID here. I can grab the app ID or click on the app itself, and it's gonna give me the app ID. These are steps which you've done already, I know, but for those who did not do, then you have a chance to see what's going on. Then you're gonna put in the app ID, okay. After that, you can save also, right? After saving those two, you can go back here and click on what we call settings role. Let me click view details. Remember that your app must be live, so this button might be here, should be there. App ID is that, then settings, then you go to basic. when you go to basic, you might find some secret. This one you can click there and get it. You must put in your password. I'm gonna tell you what you have to do. Okay, you copy that. You can also change that. You reset that if you want. This is for us to learn what's going on here. Okay, after doing that, we're going to app secret. You put it in there, then you save that. Okay, after saving, you may also go to somewhere like I think advanced. Some things we need here. Then you get client token. I don't think that should be the one we put there because it talks about access token. Provide a valid token for your page. This is something else. This is something I won't put. Let me leave it because it asks about the page. Well, once you're done with that, then you can go to your page here. We on the page, you look for publishing tools. After getting that, okay, well, we're here. One thing I'm gonna do, since I'm using a plugin, I'm gonna click on plugins and then check everything. I'm gonna check everything. Then I say deactivate. I'm deactivating each and every plugin here, just in case it gives me some issue. Instant article, I'm gonna go back and activate that plugin. Well, once I'm fine, you can see one plugin is active. Well, I can visit my site and see what's going on. I don't want to get into an issue whereby it was a plugin which was not compatible with this and this, you know, all those things. Okay, we are here and everything seems to be super great. And I click here, I get everything well. Okay, done. I can go to instant article settings and see my settings are fine. Then can close here and go back here, look for instant articles, then you click on configurations. Before you click there, click on development. You can see these articles are put in already, but they are under development. So when you go to production, there is nothing. Why is it that? Because my URL was rejected, and because of, yeah, so now this is the issue. So I'll tell you why the issue is like that. You go to production and you try to create, no, close configure. I think you should go to configuration. Configuration, yes. Then click on create studio. When you click here and say next, then you go to, because I've done this anyway, you do this first, you do this, everything is tick, but this is the prompt. So if you click on production there and take the URL. Remember, when you put in that plugin, it's gonna give you go to your website, the full URL, and put feed, then / instant article, instant, then you say dash article, right? Then you hit enter. Once you see this, you just know that you got the right thing. Grab that, copy it, go to this and try to paste in. Then you say save. You're gonna see this message, and I was so lucky that I did a lot of investigation. I wouldn't have got this error, the one I'm talking about, this one. You get me? So this is what you might see, and what I did to discover that I had a major issue, I went and selected a different app. Then I say next. Then I say next, review, whatever. After reviewing, I agreed. So, and I say article preview, whatever. Okay, so I saw that claim domain. When I try to claim domain, what I did is I did this. I said claim domain. I say https googleboy.co.za. Then I say claim. So when I try to claim, this is when I get this. Why? This is good because in the first place, when I was doing this, I did not get any issue. I did not get this. But then when I used a different page, thinking maybe that one had a problem, I only discovered that I had a problem myself. Because if we go here, say begin, you can see there are articles here in this, because in production they rejected me, but in development they can show you things how they go, right? It's not a plugin issue. You saw that we did deactivate every plugin, and it's not the articles issue. You can see I put 10 articles before. The issue is one very simple thing. Let me show you something. Analytics. Your problem is one. I have 3,000 users from 28 to March. So simply means Saturday, April 28 March. Simply means you have less traffic. What does Facebook want? They want you to create articles, advertise them. They want at least to have 15,000 here, 15,000 here, visitors, page views in at least 4 to 5 days. If you do that within 4 to 5 days and have 15,000, then go put the apply again as we did. So when you have that, it's now why they say minimal. You can see even tells you minimal readership. So this is traffic issue. You don't have enough traffic to be accepted, so they need you to work harder. You get traffic first, then they include you. Once they include you, they allow you to put that URL. Doesn't mean you are accepted. Once you apply and they say yes to you, write 10 good articles. They should be within 24 hours, or maybe write it just in 4-5 hours. Submit them. After, when you have submitted them, what will happen is they're gonna do what? They're gonna give you a review. So when they review your articles, if they are fine good, what will happen is they are going to accept you. But it doesn't mean you have to relax. They need fresh content each and every day. So once you submit the 10 ones, once you've been approved, then at least you can write 5 articles a day or 3 articles a day, right? So also you have to work on your site to have traffic all the time. So what I'm gonna do now, I think I'll do another video after being approved. After this, I'm going to create a video to show you that they approved me. I'm gonna work on that, my traffic, and mass traffic. They need traffic from Facebook also. So you have to go to Facebook groups and pages and share your links. You have to write content which people get interested to come read. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. If you have any question, please let us know. And we apologize for those who did not like the video, but that's what we had to give you.